I want the pieces that I make to be able to go on generations to generations. I want it to be a lifelong thing where they can pass on. And I base it off of what it's been passed on to me. Furniture in our house that was passed on from my great-grandparents. You know, to see something that's been able to have memories go along with it, it's kind of hard to put into words. I want them to see the craftsmanship. I want them to see time. I want them to see dedication. I want them to see that it was heartfelt. There was love in it. You know, there was actually time and dedication. It wasn't thrown together. It was something that I actually sat and thought about and actually put everything I had into that piece. Grew up here in San Antonio, Texas. Born and raised here. Childhood was good. The typical sports and family growing up. And then slowly got into music as I got into high school. And then decided with a buddy of mine to try audio engineering. So we went to school for that out in Arizona. We did that, and then from there was an internship in California. So we did that, packed up, moved there, and what was supposed to be a year internship turned out to almost 10 years. So after that, it was kind of a mixed period for me. You know, I wasn't really into the lifestyle and just decided, you know what, I think it's time to kind of start over, start anew, and try to find a different avenue. My grandfather, he did woodworking, my father did as well, very handy. And I think it's always been in the blood. My wife pushed me a lot. And then having kids, we had our first one. And there's something in that really, it brings out an internal drive to want to create and build for the family and build for the little one and just kind of bring out that artistic view of using your hands to make something. Photography was something that I had an interest in while I was in California. And then when moving back, I knew I wanted to do something with it. I didn't know what. In doing what I'm doing now, it kind of all comes together. I want it to be neck and neck with my woodworking. I want it to work together and how it's presented to the public. I think it all comes hand in hand. Now, I primarily make home decor from, you know, cutting boards to clocks to ottomans to coffee tables. But anything's possible. There should be no way that you can't accomplish what you want to if it's what you want to, you know. And experiment. Don't be afraid to try something different, you know. And especially my background, coming from music to photography to now woodworking. Take the route that you're going, and it'll all lead back somewhere.